Hi, this is Allison Pryor, and I am just going to show you this beautiful portrait that I'm going to paint for you on YouTube, and that's coming up. Should be done in the next couple of days or so, and I'll try to go up as fast as I can. And I have a video coming up now about how to paint skin flesh tones. And I thought that when you're finished looking at that video, then you can go to this video and actually do a portrait with the skin tones that you've learned in the other video. So this is the one I'm going to do. I got the picture as a reference picture off of Pixabay. They got all kinds of free pictures, beautiful pictures there that you can use for any reason, commercially, any reason at all. So you have no worries about copyright. And so if you like this one, then you can join in on my YouTube. Subscribe so you can get a notice that it's coming up or that it's up, posted. It should be a couple of days it'll take me to get this done, because this one is already done. I had to do that for practice, we'll say, and then I'll do another one. We'll do it, right from the beginning and how I did it, and right step by step. And I'm going to give you some really easy techniques to do the flesh tones. There'll be a little recipe there that you can use, and you won't have to worry about it too much. You won't have to worry about getting confused about the colors. And I also have a nice little trick for doing the hair. And it's on a 9 by 12 canvas. I put it on because I wanted to really fill up the canvas. See? Isn't that cute? Nice eyes. Yep. So we will do that soon. Next couple of days I will keep you posted. And you keep your eyes opened. And I will see you soon.